Good morning, my name is ADITHYA CHANDRASHEKHAR and today I will be presenting my project for Homey Coder 2022. It's called Conservation Status and I made it using Python ideally. So this is my program. It shows you the conservation status and class of an animal. It only contains animals in India. So if we run the program, it will ask you to enter the name of an animal. So if we enter, for example, Bengal tiger, it will show the conservation status as endangered and class as mammal. It shows you whether an animal is in the critically endangered status, endangered status, or vulnerable status. These are the three IUCN Red List category classifications. So if I'll show two more examples. If we enter Go, the status will be vulnerable and the class will be mammal. So this time the status is critically endangered and the class is reptile. The different classes included are mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fishes and invertebrates. So if we enter an animal that isn't in the list, like the cheetah, it will tell you to try a different spelling or another animal. The program lets you search for 5 times before you have to run it again. So that's all. It's a very small program, but I think it will help to provide awareness about the loss of animal species and to educate people about the different classifications and which species are in more danger than others. Thank you.